Hello! Welcome to my third video and my first experimentation with voiceovers! Over the weekend, I went camping for Thanksgiving weekend away from people as much as possible, and I collected some leaves in an attempt to make a nature glue book and scrapbooking with, natural found materials and stuff. I didn't do any Googling before just jumping into this, so I should have pressed the leaves first in order for them to be properly preserved before I Mod Podged them. But something that you'll realize if you stick around is that I have no patience and I don't plan ahead, ever. So I was excited and just went in with the Mod Podge right off the bat. Then I said, oops, they getting pretty curly. And I put them in a book and tried to press them. And it worked, sort of, but they're all curly again now, so just enjoy this lovely footage of me Mod Podging leaves outside for no particular reason. And here they are! As you can see, especially this holly guy, this holly leaf I think it is curling like crazy. They were pressed just for like one day while I was camping, because I'm the impatience queen. So what I'm gonna do now is just press them again while oh no, please do not be stuck together. Oh, please don't rip. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press them while I work on other stuff. Here we go. Oh my gosh, look at the pictures in this book. It's so cool. Oh my gosh, I gotta make sure that I press them on pages that are just words, so I don't... Not that I think that this would mess up any of the book pages, but I want to be sure now, because those are pretty. So my mom was telling me that you should really press leaves before you do any crafts with them, because the leaves or the pages of the book that you press them with absorbs the moisture from the leaves, which helps preserve the leaves. And if you go in with Mod Podge and trap that moisture in there, you're setting yourself up to possibly have rotting crafts in the future. Alright, this is the tricky leaf right here. Please don't break, please don't break, please don't break. I just want to make you flat, not cracked and broken. So, my dear friends, if you're thinking of making some leaf collages, press them first, because this boy is hard with Mod Podge and does not want to uncurl. And this has been a learning experience. Okay, all in there, nice and flat, safe and sound. I'm gonna stick this under a heavy box. Okay, I put the book of leaves under my magazine collection. If my magazine collection isn't heavy enough, nothing is. So while those press, and I'm gonna leave them under there like all day, so you'll see them next week, sorry. In the meantime, I know that last week I told you I was gonna be making the cover for this guy, and I actually don't have time right now. I have unfinished work, but it's artistic work, so I thought maybe you'd want to see that instead. It's kind of fun. Let me show you. I have to make some stickers. These are my stickers. These are not the ones that I need to make. Here are my Wingnut stickers. If you ever order art, hint hint, you should order some art. I'll link my new Fiverr in the description box below. But these are stickers that I've made out of my own drawings. And I have a request for some custom stickers. So that's what I'm gonna work on for you now. Every sticker, every idea starts out in this book. It's very sloppy. My sketchbook is nothing pretty. It's nothing to flip through and show off. It's where all my raw, rough ideas are, so it's not cute. So when I do have something in here that I want to draw, like these sticker ideas, I take a picture of it with my iPad. How about this weeping willow? That's what we need to make a sticker of. And then I open it up in Procreate. Now I'm going to turn this weeping willow sketch into a digitally drawn sticker. Alright, so this is going to be my outline for the Weeping Willow sticker. These are nature themed stickers, so I thought they kind of went along. I thought it was a fitting to-do item after showing you the leaves. So I have a Weeping Willow one going on. I have this fall leaf falling. I'm working on this eyeball fern, and then I'm also going to do a peace sign snail, and those will be the custom designs. So I'm going to draw them now. Here we go. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm going in and I'm making sure that my line doesn't have any breaks in it, because the fastest way to color in Procreate is to just drag a color over and then it'll fill the space that you've drawn. But if there are any holes in the line that you've made, like that hole right there, see that tiny little gap in the line? Watch what happens when I try and fill in this shape. It fills in the whole thing because it escapes. Alright, now if that's my only hole, then that's the only thing I have to worry about. Let's see if that was the only thing I have to worry about. Amazing. That's not the green I'm going to go with, though. Let's play around with this. Alright, so the black outline is making this whole thing very heavy and dark. So what I'm trying right now is substituting the black outline with a medium blue and seeing if it makes it too blown out. Gotta find that balance, you know, between the line color and the fill color. Alright, now I just got to make sure that the pupils are actually black because a lot of them turned blue in that color replacement process. This is looking kind of funky cool. I'm going to probably play around with the colors a little bit more later, but you get the idea. It's coloring time-lapse time! We have Falling Leaf Man in first place. Second place is Mr. Snail, looking mighty fine. And in the third place, but not last, we have the tree. He's standing tall, he's looking good, his details are unmatched, and he definitely took the longest to color in. But it's okay, we're all equals and we're all in CMYK, because we're going to be printed out and stuck. Ah, they live in real life. I just printed them out. I'm pretty happy with the print quality. I'm using just a little like HP basic printer, so as long as I print out in CMYK, I'm good, and this is what we get. So now, this is sticker paper. They're printed on a sticker paper, and this is regular sticker paper. It's not the weatherproof stuff. So what I need to do is laminate them with this laminating sheet. The reason I don't print out on the weatherproof sticker paper is because I've read reviews of the ink not staying on the paper very well and smudging or needing to dry for a really long time, and even then if it gets wet it won't stand to be as weatherproof as it once claimed. So to use this bad boy, I'm going to need a colorful background so that I can see my edges more clearly. Because white on white, I might risk missing the paper and not laminating everything that I have to. So, I haven't used this exact type of laminating sheet before, so let's hope I do it right. I read the instructions, and it's about all you can do. Lay it down, and then it says to stick the top and then slowly roll this out and press. I'm already terrified. Yeah! We did it! That wasn't so bad. Only mildly terrifying. Ugh. Yes. Yes. Nice. Very official. Very sticker looking. So now I'm going to, if I had a bone folder, I would take it and I would, but I do not. So I'm just going to press down until they look vivid and colorful like they did when they first were printed out. Let's see, what can I use? I did a large sticker and a small sticker of each design. I drew them really large so that I'd have the opportunity to make them really big just in case. And you know, I don't know what she's going to do with these stickers. Even I don't know what I'm going to do with the stickers that I already have. Sometimes you need a big guy to fill in a big space, you know, and sometimes you just want to stick a little cutie on the corner of your page. So, we have options. Cool. Very cool, very cool. You know what time it is. Time to fussy cut. So this obviously is the purpose of the colorful outline on each illustration. Very rarely will you see a sticker that goes right to the edge of its subject because they get torn, they start peeling off. And we can't have any of that. You're so cute. I knew I was gonna hate myself when it was time to cut out the trees because I made these in and out shapes, but I felt it was necessary to not make it just be like a big huge honka chonka big ol' shape. I was like, we gotta narrow in on that trunk a little, you know, define its body, define its shape. Oh, look at our collection. It's so nice. I'm so happy with them. They're adorable. Little pea snail, all-seeing fern, and the fall leaf. Wow! And so there you have it. This has been a little unexpected sticker tutorial. I hope you like it. I'm sorry it wasn't glue book related, but it will be next week. I'll finish up what I said I was going to finish up. Farewell.